Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanagariki kutanga huko hapa nino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasipere Zimbabwe tabigira ini na budi tsikwa YaTaurwa PaMsoro pe coalition yerikunzida kurongwa between Chamisa ni mamma opposition parties. So one of my political activists, Yuda Abuda, talked about this issue. This is wrong move and waitaura hivyo wachiti Chamisa akadakwa Chamisa he is not even Democrat since he's a dictator. Mama kudei kuna Chamisa kwa Zimbabwe pa expose wa na Tendai Biti Zimbabwe na job Sikhala since vakambo buda mbato re MDC wakadampa Tsvangirai since so now they want to tarnish Chamisa's plan since that will be a bad move and a wrong move. Yekuti paitike coalition maparties aya tisingazoti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudze zvamuri kufunga comment section.
It is always a problem kupiwa advice nemuvengo wako. I do not understand how some people they really want to embrace political advice coming from ZANU-PF quarters. You hear them saying, I'm on a party, Chamisa kadakwa, this and that. The moment you start sounding like ZANU-PF, we don't see you as a progressive opposition leader. You become just like a puppet of ZANU-PF. The moment you start sounding like an enemy, you are an enemy. We do not have confused leaders here. We will come and say, we need unity. We need unity. We must unite all the political players in Zimbabwe so that we can beat ZANU-PF. We need to call for political maturity so that all the opposition leaders must come together, put aside their difference, and work together toward the progress and the defeat of ZANU-PF at the ballot in 2028. All those are flimsy excuses. It is hypocrisy of highest order. You cannot have people telling you to forgive when they are not the one that are aggrieved. It is a problem to forgive when the aggressor is not asking you for forgiveness. How can an aggressor and the perpetrator call for reconciliation? How can those who sold out the masses tell us that we need to reconcile? Reconciliation coming from the sellout quarters. Reconciliation being preached by those who betrayed us. And then we must say, guys, let's come together, let's unite. Unite with sellout, with those who openly sold us out in broad daylight. And then say we must call for unity. Unity with who? Unity with fools. Unity with greedy individuals. Don't you know that your company determines who you become? That you can only become like your friends. You can only become like those people that are around you. Why must we unite ourselves with harlot? Unite ourselves with prostitute. Don't you know that you who sleep with a prostitute become married to the prostitute in the spirit? You are together. You are husband and wife. If you sleep with a prostitute, that's the spiritual implication of sleeping with everybody. And then you hear someone say, you must unite with all the opposition leaders. We must come together. We saw this before. You cannot keep doing the same thing and expect different results. The big tent is a tried and tested phenomenon and methodology in the political landscape of Zimbabwe. We saw this before. Morgan Tsvangirai tried it 2 times and he was banned. And you cannot come and tell us and preach to us unity as if it is a new thing. What unity? Unity with those who sold you out. The demise of Zimbabwean opposition political parties has always come from ZANU-PF quarters. Those people who presumably left ZANU-PF party to cross the floor to join opposition and are the one who killed the opposition parties in Zimbabwe. Where is Tracy Mutiniri right now? Where is Zikamai Mavairi right now? Where is Jabun? Baboon? Where is he? And today you want to come and tell us to do the same thing. Watchman Mube was a retainee. He left us in 2005. And then he come back, and what did he do? He sold us out again. Tendai Biti in 2013 called Morgan Tsangrai names. Even called him Gumbura. Even say he cannot win a single election. Tendai Biti. And he betrayed the masses. He went with all the MDC assets. Why did he come back and call for unity? Why did he come back? And what did he do after he came back? He sold us out again. But no, you cannot have the same people and then they come back and they call for unity and you embrace them again. And then tomorrow, Chamisa gave you the damn chance in 2018. What did you do? You sold us out again. You sold us out again. And then you want to come and blame Chamisa. When he opened his hand and said, okay, fine, let us join hands together in 2018. These guys were there. Workmen was there. Tendai Biti was there. Mafume was there. The whole PDP cabal was there. MDC Green was there. Job Sikhala was there. 2018. What changed? What different are we going to do now? How different are we going to play this ball game? By embracing them to say, okay, fine, now we are going to join all the forces. We did it before. And today we got Chabangu out of that mess. And then you want to blindside Zimbabwean by the same tactic. That is stupidity. Stupidity is trying to do the same thing over and over again and expect a different result. Idiocracy in my book. We cannot embrace people with autocratic tendencies. We can't. And those on Chamisa need to hear this and know this. That the moment he joins himself with prostitute, Zimbabweans are going to condemn him. We cannot. Those are prostitutes. All of those people that you are now telling us they must join with who? We cannot have that kind of situation again. Never.
Why?
Varume, yamurutaura ino nje democracy, aisi democracy. Makuti the democracy mara muri domoka. Nokuti nezuro uno maitara Chamisa is a dictator. Chamisa atiriri advice vamwe. Everyone lambasted Chamisa. Just yesterday, it's not even 1 year. Kusuka sengenza chabango aenda ne party. Chamisa kabuda katara varume and I have lost political power. What it meant that even my MP ake the rebelled against him. Chamisa kasarari one. He became a sticking sore thumb amongst Zumwezu Gunwenai. Akabuda akakano garamba kwake. And all of you ma academia mano kafunda tere vanoskura vakagara pamadesk vachinyora naurwa. You said Chamisa aterere he's a dictator. That's what you said. And all of you here, you rejected Chamisa. And you called him names. And the guy accepted the voice of your majority. Kwete yepovo. Yenyi my analyst. He accepted your voice and he resigned and he went home. At the basis of such kind of behavior. Now we are here. Maona manje mayedzero kwakuti amuna kana one number, amuna kana single number. Vanhu venyu vese vakasara muparliament varembera. They don't have support. Because mind you, the grassroots is waiting. What I love about Zimbabwean povo general, they are very patient. They are waiting. 2028 amuri kutaura apana kawa one ari muparliament marudzoko. Muri kutonyatsoziziva. Now you want to pin it on Chamisa, mauda kublema Chamisa. Aita sei. muri kuziva kuti makarembera vanhu imimi makasiyiwa makarembera so hamuna kana kwekutsika izvozvi mukatanga mukakatanurwa pamakatsungirirwapo muri kudonha. Then you want to pin it on Chamisa. Muri kundiudza kuti the whole opposition yese mashaya vanhu vakwanisa kugadzira a united party yekuti iteke Zimbabwe forward. But Chamisa rumba kwake. He's a civilian right now. Akagara rumba kwake. Saka pama-leaders ese aripo izvezi mashaya here tadza kubatana mega mukacreata chinhu chinobvisa zano. Muri kudeka kuna Chamisa. He's just an individual. Because hapana unity yamuri kumbotsvaga apa, muri kutsvaga kuti Chamisa abvume kuti ashandiswe. We are sick and tired of vanhu vanoda kushandisa vamwe. If you cannot stand by yourself, then regadzai politics dzacho. Karayomba wenyu. Apa muda kushandisa munhu apa. Ndonyaya ingoripo chete. Muda kushandisa munhu. Vanhu venyu asara havana political mileage ende muri kuzviziya. Douglas Monzora ariko, Kupe, Welshman, Tendai Biti ariko, Chabango ariko. Vese vana madhuku, vana Monzora, vana Komichi, vese they are there. For Maika Grand Coalition, Nana Linda Masarira, Nana Valerio. Mogadzira a Grand Coalition. Mogadzira the big tent. That Mototanga auto campaign is before 2028. Magabatwa na. Murukudei kuna Chamisa. Because for all we know, we did not forget Zvataurwa PaNhau. Hatikanganwe Zvataurwa. Kunzi Chamisa akadhakwa, kudhakwa kwa Chamisa takakuudzwa kusvika takaura. Tikaudzwa zvekusakwana kwake, takaguta kusvika muhuro muchiudzwa Chamisa how bad Chamisa is. Now you want to talk unity. Nani futi? Itaika unity yacho varume. Inini chandiri kuramba panapa fake unity. Unity fake iyo. Hakuna unity yakadaro. And amutaure unity muchitiudza vanhu kuti ita unity navo. Guys, gadzirai big tent. Musatombomire. Andikuudza kuti what is holding people up? Because of all the analysis that were passed against Nelson Chamisa, by now Nelson Chamisa is a rotten apple. Why do you need him? Komadi kungobatana nevavo vacho vamakati vakachena vanogona basa. Vagoni vebasa vacho vavo muri kuvasire. Komadi revo kumhanya kumateruko. Because uyu mukomana akaora, he is rotten. Muri kudei? Idemocracy iyoyo. Kana takutaura pa fair chapo muri kutomoka. We are fast losing respect of my analysts in Zimbabwe. Vanoziti vakadzidza sterek, vanogona kunzvera magwaro because they are failing to see the obvious. You know the problem of being too educated and being too analytical. Amuna time yekuswera nemafudza mombe, mune muchimasfora. Amuna time yekuswerawo nemakomana vanoswera achichera kumatrenji uko. Saka for you kuti muwane nguva yekuvateerera hamuna. Why? You be sitting in your lofty offices, 10th floor, Yepakargamombe building. So you don't have time for such people. So how are you going to know kuti vanhu vari kufunge? Burukai muende kumberengo wako. Munotaura zvamunotaura izvo. Burukai muende kubhikito. Muende kuGutu West kwatakatambira samwe during my election. Endaika kuwedza pasi kwamurambinda kugaza uko. Munotaura zvamuri kutaura izvozvo. Tione kuti munowina here nyaya yacho. Muri kutaura izvozvo makagara muKargamombe building, 10th floor. Muchiparidzira guided democracy haisi kudiwa. Garai makazviziva izvozvo. Isusu we are on the grassroots. Tisinoswera nevanhu. And I'm telling you that they are going to punish you. Rambai muchiparidza chivoice chamuri kuparidza chifake unity chamuri kuita ichi. Muchazotirangarira zvatiri kutaura izvi nhasi. Kuti vakomana vakambozvitaura. What I love about my advice atinokupa nafoiri. Last year takakuudzai hazina kufoira. Here we are. Takaudza kuti muchatengeswa naChabangu, muchatengeswa na Nube na Tokozani Kupe. They are going to sell you down the drain. And I even told the leadership kuti Biti wenyu right now is working on a secret plot to destroy the opposition. Iyo triple C. Takaudzwa mazita kunzi ndimi ma-CIO muri kudestroya musangano. Nhasi ndiani mu-CIO nhasi? Ndiani ama-CIO? Varume mbomirai kuudzira vanhu. CIO vanhu vadetermine path yavari kufamba. kana vanhu hata havasi kuda musavaforce, because tinoziziva kuti munogara maboardroom mozobuda nezvimapepa makatogadzira constitution isina kubva kuvanhu, vanhu havasi kuda, saka musade kuti nyepera panapa.